Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple green smoothie. I started making these actually not too long ago for my kids and I when we wake up in the morning because I don't really have much time in the morning before I take my son to school. So I thought I'd make a green smoothie for everyone so we can just have something in our system before we head out the house. So what I'm going to be using is 1 medium banana, 1 green apple, 12 ounces of coconut water, a few handfuls of baby spinach, and 1 cup of pineapples. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pretty much put everything in the blender, and then I'm going to blend it on the smoothie setting. If you don't have the smoothie setting, just go ahead and pulse it 4 to 5 times and then blend it for like 30 seconds and then stop for a few seconds and then blend it again for another 30 seconds. That's kind of like how the blender does the whole smoothie setting. So it should work the same. And over here, I'm just putting 2 large handfuls of spinach, and I'm gonna blend this up. And you actually don't taste the spinach that much in this smoothie. You almost actually don't taste it at all, and I'm pretty surprised because I thought my kids would not like this, but they actually loved it because they think of it as like a treat because it's a smoothie. So it's perfect for us. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Alrighty, and now my smoothie's ready. Look how pretty that color is. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into my serving cup. And that is all for the green smoothie. It's super easy, super healthy. The kids love it, so it's just perfect for us. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.